We gotta make a blooper reel out of this. All right.
Dude, I have to remember what to say, and I don't remember what to say. Okay. We are recording.
All right, well, I'm gonna... It's concerning.
Interesting.
Yeah, right? Still smells good, so we're good.
What?
You let off the gas and then hit the gas and then just shove the milk in my throat.
Yeah, it's a little cold today. Don't you agree?
It's brick.
So, as always with any video, make sure you toss it a like.
Make sure you like. Yeah, response a little bit. It's a little bit more peppy. It's pretty fun. And of course, I'm getting a phone call. All right, try it again.
So, as always with any video, make sure you like.
I forgot my part.
La 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 la.
No, I'm just kidding.
I almost just ran a red light.
Nice. Let's check the hair one more time. Okay, we're
Shades
good.
on.
All right, yeah, this is good enough.
Kids got the shade. All right, so I guess since Tristan's got the shades on, we all got to put the shades on.
All right, all right. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the... I did this. Damn. I didn't like that. All right. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I don't like that either. Slopar Boys YouTube channel. Okay. A 2019 Hellcat wide body in Destroyer Gray. And we're going to be doing an exhaust video for him. And then we're going to be cruising our way down 93, down to 24. And then we're going to meet up with some Mopars of Mass members for another birthday drive-by.
I don't like it.
Because I said the cruising and it made you laugh.
No, because look at my you can't see it now, I licked it off, but I had cream cheese all over my face because I took a bite.
You didn't even have the shades on.
We haven't got your shades on either. We're recording. Close her up.
Leaving the gate open. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do an in-depth review of the pedal commander for the 2018 Dodge Durango GT with a 3.6 liter Pentastar engine.
No, I said it a certain way.
What the is that?
Look, all those just bags just everywhere in here.
Dude, there's like inside your truck right now.
Jesus, what the f***? Do te querés? Third time the charm.
Oh,
Holy
Wow.
wow.
All right.
That's the first time that I've ever seen that open.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, crazy. What's it? Whoa! Yes, there are. That's why I keep my spare cords, in case you're wondering. Wow, my truck is a mess now. Alright, well, let's try and just keep it somewhat neat for recording purposes.
No, I wanted to make a mess.
I'm gonna need a bagel. Scissors, which I'm gonna guess is for the gasket.
I love how you got that. Crawling in and out of my truck here.
It's for the blooper reel.
Always. Oh, we'll use it. Tristan with the Subi over here, the Subaru hat.
I'll show us the beans, kid.
We have the panel popper, one of two.
Just in case you were wondering, the Slopar is here, but she's dirty, so we'll get to you later. Don't you worry.
What were the signs that we
8, 10, and 13.
8, 10.
Wow, look at them all, huh? Nice and shiny.
Oh, yeah.
Did you lose the 10 already? Because that's usually what happens.
Probably. I got that one locked in the safe in the
8,
house.
10, 11, and 13.
Ooh,
Oh, and an 11.
Huh?
His
Wow,
panel
okay.
pop.
See you recording this.
Yeah, it's in. All right, guys, that about does it for us. I'm oh my God, I almost just said I'm All right.
All right. Off to Dunkin' Donuts because we are hungry men.
I give you a mask.
When we post.
And we'll catch you next time.
You got them long arms, George, so.
Well, I'm camera boy today.
Yeah, you are. That you are. I think we should do that. I think we should just be a little bit more conversational.
You gotta let me know when you gotta stop, because I'm like looking around you like a fool.
I don't even think we should do the walk.
Yeah. Is this on a like fish angle?
You couldn't hear me. I guarantee you couldn't hear me.
Yeah, because you're like.
You know what we're gonna do today? We're gonna get this guy us.
Oh Jesus! Ah jeez! Ah jeez! What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We have a lot of fun things planned for today.
So this is why I don't think we should do this. It's because it's a vlog. So.
Well, you gotta have some sort of intro. You can't just fly into it and be like, oh look.
Yeah, it has to be like an intro to it.
Yeah. La da 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 da. Might want to move the BK.
BK!
Let's get into the video.